Hi, my name is Sanjay Salunke. As we have seen in last session, crypto games. Crypto games are classified in three groups: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. Today we are going to complete our chapter number 6. We are going to learn following topics: Phanerogams. Phanerogams are divided into two groups: gymnosperms and angiosperms. Second topic: angiosperms. Angiosperms are divided into two groups: dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Coming towards first point is phanerogams. Plants that bear seeds are called phanerogams. In these plants, seeds are formed after reproduction. The seeds contain embryo and store food. The stored food is used during germination for the growth of embryo. Phanerogams are divided into two groups, that is gymnosperms and angiosperms, depending upon whether the seeds are enclosed in fruit or not. Characteristics of gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are perennial, woody, and evergreen plants. The stems of gymnosperms are unbranched. The leaves form a crown at the top of the plant. They bear male and female flowers on different sporophytes of the same plant. Seeds are not enclosed in fruits. For example of gymnosperms: Cycas, Thuja, Picea, Pinus, etc. Next point is angiosperms. Angiosperms are those plants in which the seeds are concealed. These plants possess all organs. Flowers are reproductive organs of these plants. Angiosperms are divided into two groups, that is monocots and dicots, depending on the number of cotyledons in their seeds. Characteristics of dicotyledons plants. Seeds, two cotyledons. Root is well developed. Primary root, that is taproot. Stem is strong, hard. For example, banyan tree. Leaf. In this leaf, reticulate venation. Flower. Flowers with 4 or 5 parts in their multiples, that is tetramerous or pentamerous. Characteristics of monocotyledons. Seed. Seed single cotyledon. Root. Root is fibrous. Stem. Stem is hollow. For example, bamboo. False. For example, banana. Disc-like. For example, onion. Lip. In this lip, parallel venation. Flower. Flowers with 3 parts or in multiple of 3, that is trimerous. Today's homework. Write the difference between dicotyledonous plants and monocotyledonous plants.